In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the search bar in Shopify. Whether you're tweaking the design for aesthetic reasons or simply prefer a cleaner, more streamlined look for your store, removing the search bar can help achieve that. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First up, you want to navigate to your Shopify dashboard. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that to get started. Once you're in, you'll notice a range of options and tools on your dashboard. What you're looking for is the Customize button. This is typically located within the theme section of your Shopify dashboard. Clicking Customize will open up a variety of editing options and is essentially your gateway to modifying the overall look and feel of your store. Now that you've clicked Customize, the next step involves finding the theme settings. You can do this by locating the gear icon within the customization options. Consider it like the control center for your theme. Clicking on this icon will open up a menu with various settings related to your theme's appearance and functionality. Within this menu, you might feel a bit overwhelmed by the array of options you see, but don't worry. What you want to focus on now is adjusting specific elements, like the logo. As you scroll through these settings, find the option that lets you modify the logo. You'll notice a slider bar that allows you to adjust the width of your logo. Although this might seem unrelated at first, it can affect the overall layout, including where the search bar might be located or how much space is available in the header. Use the slider to drag the button and adjust the width of your logo to your liking. This minor tweak can sometimes help create more space, or adjust the layout such that removing the search bar becomes easier or more impactful. After adjusting the logo's width, it's vital to save the changes you've made so far. You'll probably see a Save button somewhere within the customization panel, usually at the top or bottom right corner. Click on this button to ensure all your adjustments are secure and reflected in the visible theme. Taking these steps should successfully help you in the process of removing the search bar, or at least restructuring your layout to accommodate your design preferences. It's a simple yet effective way to give your online store a fresh look. Be sure to refresh your storefront to see all your changes take effect in real time. That's it for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you create the exact look you want for your Shopify store. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or drop a comment below. Happy customizing!